Let's doodle an origami-style rhino. For this project, we'll need our Origami Rhino challenge card, 13 strands of filament, and our 3D pen. Flip the challenge card over to the stencil side, and you'll see all the different sections that you'll need to doodle for the rhino.
Let's go freak out.
Doodle one of each body piece labeled A through E. With the Start Plus pen, you can doodle directly on the challenge card as we are here. Go slow and cover each of the orange sections with your filament. Once everything is cooled, pop them off the stencil. To form the body, take the long edge of A2 and join it with the long edge of A1, using warm plastic to adhere the two pieces together. We used blue for the body pieces, and we're using gray to join all the pieces together. Once you've connected A2 and A1 while the filament is still warm, align the pieces at a 90-degree angle and hold them in place until the filament has cooled. Repeat the process to add on A3. Make sure the two body pieces mirror each other. Feel free to go back over the seams and add additional filament, which will help make your rhino even stronger. Next, it's time to add on the front legs, part B1 and B2, to the front of the body. In both cases, doodle a strip of fresh plastic onto the body or to the back of the leg, and firmly press the leg into the body so that it sits flat against it. Once the leg is attached, take your pen and add additional filament to the other side of the leg. You can trace the outline of each front leg in addition to add a little extra definition with a second color. Now let's add the two back legs, parts C1 and C2, to the back of the body. For the back legs, add a strip of plastic to the top of the legs where they meet the body. With the legs partially attached, stand the rhino up and make sure it can balance on its 4 feet. Adjust the legs until they are in a good position, then add more fresh plastic around the outer edge to give it a little extra strength and help it stand upright. To form the head, start by adding a strip of plastic along the short back edge of D1 and D2 and join the two pieces together. Then prop the two pieces open to form a triangle and add a layer of plastic along the outer edge of the head. Next, add the horn, part E, to the front tip of the head. Then take the earpieces, F1 and F2, and add them to the top of the head using additional filament. Outline everything along the outer edge with fresh filament to give it a completed look. Lastly, once your head and body are complete, use fresh plastic to attach the two together. Thanks for watching our origami rhino tutorial. Be sure to share your creation with us and check out our other maker projects on our YouTube channel.